Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nessa Ray Period, and I'm back with another video. As y'all can see from today's title, you guys, I will be doing a wig install on this hair, you guys. This video is in collaboration with Arabella hair, so thank you guys so much for sending me over this hair. This hair is absolutely beautiful. This hair is full as hell and super long to be 22 inches. Like, it catches me like all the way down to my belly button, you guys. It is absolutely amazing. I freaking love this hair, you guys. So if y'all want to see how I install this hair, then keep on watching. Okay, y'all, so this is the hair after I bleached the knots and plucked it, y'all. It looks so good. And also they did send me some goodies, but I lost that clip, so okay, y'all, so I already went in and I bleached the knots on this wig. I also plucked it to the best of my abilities, and if you ask me, child, I plucked the fuck out this wig. It looks so freaking good, so natural, so beautiful. And also, don't mind that line of demarcation, baby. We're gonna fix that, as y'all can see from the intro to the end. We're gonna fix that, so don't worry about it. So right now I'm just cutting my ear tabs off, and what you see me doing before was just use a hard brush to just basically brush everything in so it can just look flat and seamless, you guys. So yeah, you want to make sure you cut your ear tabs off, just because it's just, you don't want to leave them on. Like, you don't want to look stupid, okay? But yeah, that's what I'm doing, and then I'm just pushing it in. And then I'm also gonna use my extra whole Ebon spray in the black can to just spray everything in. And then right here I'm just using my Shiso Balm wax stick. This is the best wax stick in my opinion. It smells so good, and it's not hard. It's not gonna make your hair hard or anything like that. It's just gonna make your hair soft. And this right here, a hot comb, is very much essential. You need a hot comb if you're gonna lay your wig, period. Okay, no ifs, hands, or buts. You need a hot comb. So then, y'all, after I use my Ebon spray to spray it around the perimeter of my hair, I'm just gonna tie that down with another essential, which is a headband or a wrap, something tight that's gonna squeeze your brains out. That's what you need to melt your lace. And y'all see how mine is dirty? Don't mind that. In the next video, I'm gonna wash it, I'm gonna clean it, because if you already have glue in it, stuff on it, it's gonna be sticky and hard to like get in or whatever. But yeah, y'all, I just wrap that down, and I'm gonna keep going a couple times with my hot comb, just because I want this baby to be flat. Okay, I want it to be flat. I don't like that hump look. I want it to be flat and looking good. And then I'm just gonna go on Instagram and scroll a little bit to see what type of style I was going for, and then I'm gonna come back, and then y'all gonna see right here I'm like parting my part. I was going for like a deep side part. So yeah, y'all, you want to make sure you take your time with this, and also cover the tracks, y'all. This hair was so nice. Like, the hair was so soft. It was so easy to like do what I needed to be doing. Like, sometimes curly hair just give a bitch a lot of trouble, you know. But this hair, it was so freaking nice. It was just good, y'all. Like, I kid y'all not. Like, this hair was really good. Okay, y'all, so right here I'm just gonna show y'all how this hair looks big and puffy, because at the end I did go in with my mousse and water, and also a little bit of conditioner to spray it so I can get that wet look. But look how big this hair is. I think this hair is like 180% density. Like, it was a lot of hair. It is a lot of hair. Like, this hair was just so big, and this is how I love my curly hair, big and puffy and beautiful. Like, look at this. Like, y'all, this hair was so nice. Like, I keep stressing, like, it was so nice, for real, for real. But I always keep the band on around my ear for like around 10 minutes while I scroll and see what type of style I want to do. But yeah, I don't want it to be looking hard and stiff, so I always go in and I comb it out a little bit, and then I'm gonna cut my lace in 3 slits. And y'all, it's gonna seem like I leave a lot of lace on the hair, but let me tell y'all something. The way I finesse these laces, it's gonna look natural either way. So I'm not really worried about how much lace I leave on it, okay? 9 out of 10, I leave a lot of lace because I don't want my forehead to be showing. Like, I got a big ass forehead, and I need to subtract that forehead. So I leave some lace on it just because, like this part right here. It's a lot of lace left on it. But don't worry about it, because we gonna fix it, okay? So just chill. Just chill. Okay, y'all, so how we fixing it? We just gonna go in with a shade of foundation. I think this is the not the Maybelline. I forgot what this is called, y'all, but it's the lace I use for my ball cap and everything. I mean, it's the foundation I use for my ball cap and everything. But I go in with shades 2 times darker than me just because it blends way more perfectly than a shade my complexion or lighter, because it's gonna leave that white cast, and we don't want no white cast, okay? But then after that, I'm just gonna take my Epon and spray it on my fingers and just tap it in nicely. I'm gonna take my time with it, and then I'm just gonna tie it back up while I flatten this out. As I was telling y'all earlier, I don't like that hump look, so I'm gonna go in section by section, put my wax stick, and then I'm gonna use my hot comb. Once again, y'all need a hot comb. The hair is not gonna look good if y'all don't have the hot comb. You need to invest in a hot comb. You guys need to invest in products that's gonna last you a long time and make your wigs look good. Me personally, I take a lot of time doing my wigs because I want it to be perfect. By the time I'm done doing my hair, I want, when I step outside, a bitch asks me, "Oh my God, who did your hair?" Baby, it's me. I did it. I did it. I did it. Book me, okay? Period. But yeah, y'all, I just go in with my wax sticks in sections, and I just flat this baby out. Like, I flat it out. I flat it out. Do you hear me? And then after I flat it out, I'm gonna wrap it up with my silk scarf. Now, the silk scarf is another thing I need to talk to y'all about real quick. Let me tell you, if y'all want your lace to last like a month max, you see this black band that I have on my hair? You need to wrap it up your edges with that, and then you wrap your whole head up with a silk scarf, and then you get a silk bonnet, satin silk, whatever, and you wanna put that on. So the black band, silk scarf, and a silk bonnet. Baby, I promise you, your installs is gonna last a very, very long time. Okay, but yeah, that red bottle y'all see me just use, that is the Fantasia heat protecting spray. And the reason I use that after I use my hot comb, which I am gonna go in again with my hot comb, is just because I want my hair to look like shiny and just good. Like, y'all see how it looks, like so flat and good, y'all. Like, it just looks so good to me. Like, what do you mean? Okay, y'all, watch this. Watch this. Can't even see the lace. Can't even see the lace for real, for real. Like, look how melted that is, y'all. Like, look how good that shit look. Like, y'all can't tell me nothing, for real, for real. Like, I'm ready to go when it comes to this hair shit. Like, the more I do my hair, the better it's getting, y'all. But yeah, I'm just gonna go in with my baby hair, and then going to do my baby hairs. But yeah, I partied out. I'm doing 2 baby hairs today, y'all. And me and baby hairs is really not friends. Like, I really struggle with my baby hair. So the camera is about to cut off any minute now because I was struggling, and I'm not going to deal with it. So I'm just going to cut the camera off and then just go to my bathroom and then fix it. Boom, boom, boom. Okay? When I get better at doing my baby hairs, I'm going to come back and show y'all. But I curled the big one upwards, and I'm going to curl this one downwards. And then, yeah, I'm going to just come back on here with the whole finished product so y'all can see how a bitch looking good. Okay? Okay, y'all, so this is the final product of the hair, you guys. The lace melted, absolutely beautiful. This is not HD lace, remind y'all. Like, your girl did her thing with this hair. I freaking loved it. And it's just giving the girls sleek, grown, and sexy, y'all. Thank you guys so much to Arabella hair for sending me over this wig, and thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications to my channel to get notified every time your girl posts a brand new video. And yeah, y'all, I'll see y'all in my next videos. Bye, y'all.